Today, we're going to bring the XREAL Beam system. So the way this thing works, if you own a pair of these actual AR glasses, which is the XREAL 1 or 2 Series Pro, but it's necessary you want to actually access other devices like your PlayStation, your Nintendo Switch, your computer, your other devices. And not only that, it's a self-standard system. Now, there is an OS system in here. At the moment, there's not that much applications for it. The only ones that you're going to be able to see right now at the moment is just the basic stuff. Netflix, Amazon, and Disney Plus. Very important to let you guys know about this little system. It's still on its works. There's a lot of updates happening constantly. There's an XREAL forum that I go to, and you can actually download some beta versions. Now, the device itself, it's a little light. It reminds me of the Apple system, like the AR glasses they currently have. It doesn't charge it, but it powers the system device too. Now, underneath of it, we're going to review a couple of things. Underneath of it, there's little icons in here. One has a little picture of little glasses here, and the other one the power. Now, the glasses where you actually connect the glasses here to the system, to the XREAL. The other one is where you actually connect power or other devices, like I said, the Nintendo Switch, SteamDeck, PlayStation 5, and so forth. Now, you are going to require Type-C to Type HDMI or any other device that you have. For SteamDeck, it will be Type-C to Type-C computers. You can do Type-C to display ports or HDMI 2. When you turn it on, this actually displays a little light. It's going to be a purple little light that you're going to see, and you actually are able to manage the light by moving your gestures left or right, and the actual little beam's going to be able to move. It's like a mouse, a invisible mouse into the AR glasses. Now, from here, you actually can scroll and click on it. You could click here, or you could go back. On this other button here on the left-hand side, it's going to be where you actually change different tones on the actual, how you want to display. So if you have multiple screens, you can actually change it here. If you have adjustments, like you want to make sure that the screen is fixed, that it's not going to move, it's going to stand the same ground, you can do that. Or another thing is, because a lot of people get sick with motion sickness, they add blur in here. So you can actually glide it very slow so you won't get that sickness. Now, the device itself is chargeable. When you plug it in, it's going to start charging here. It shows a little white light in here. Power button was a little hidden thing. So on the top here is the actual power button. And if you're not using it for a while, it'll automatically shut off. On the other side, on the right hand side, you're going to find the volume control, volume up, volume down.